Hi, good evening. We are looking at crude oil futures. As you can see, the crude oil futures has kind of has the third day in running when it is kind of has a downward is on a downward spiral. As you can see, from a high of $66 to a barrel on 26th of September, it has gone down to 61 levels. 61.4 is the a strong support zone, and we have seen it come down to that level quite often in the last 1 month, right from August, and it has held on. Now the question is, will it go down further or will it retrace? I think one would have to look at the energy data, um, that is inventory data coming out of the US today, and see. So the US crude oil inventory is released every Wednesday by the Energy Information Administration, EIA. Um, um, it um, it is released at 10:30 a.m. US time, um, which is um, around 8 p.m. India time, IST, and that's the reason one sees a lot of volatility in the market during that time every Wednesday. And for the natural gas, it's every Thursday, same time. So as you can see, there has been a this last week's data, September 24th. So zero point 0.8 million barrels was the forecast, and plus the inventories. The forecast was that the inventory would be higher, and actuals was it is lower. So that explains the upwards. So that's the reason probably the price shot up like it did uh, last Thursday. And then, as on October 1, that is today, 8 p.m. is the time, and 1.5 million barrels is the forecast, that is plus. So the forecast is that the inventories will be higher, and if it is more than the forecast, obviously the price will take a downward spiral. If it is less than the forecast, then the inventories are lower. What it means is the inventory is lower and across the system, and therefore the supply situation rectifies, the price movement tends to go up. That's how the whole scenario works and presents itself. So that's where we are. So let us have a look at the 15-minute chart on the MCX. And as you can see, we started off today, you know, the same place where we left off yesterday, and then the price wanted to move up, it couldn't. From around, I think, about 2 p.m. onwards, there has been a fall from nearly 100 points, from 5-6 levels to about 5,483. Then it has recovered slightly, and then again it is undecided. So it will meander in this zone until the energy report comes in. So traders are advised to be careful and wait till the data is out, and one would know exactly which way the markets will go. Depending on any news flow or events uh, happening in the next few days to the end of the week, that would largely tell us where the price would go. So there is another problem. US is more or less the Fed is shut down, so there could be a lull in activity. So I would advise caution. let's go and see uh, the situation with natural gas. In fact, um, if you look at the global data, um, it's natural gas on a daily chart is is trading above the resistance level, and the next resistance can only happen at this zone, which is like 3.5 upwards. So it's very close to that. But last time also, I remember we kind of hit 3.7 straight away from the lows. From 2.97 it went, and there was no. So if you see this data in April, May, it went straight up till 3.95. So you never know, but inventory data would be crucial in this case as well. There is in July as well, if you see, there was a movement till about 3.6 without stop on a daily chart, and then it came down wherever to wherever. So I think buy on dips until it kind of retraces back to below 3.35, um, like in the on the MCX, that would be about 285, and 279 would be the uh, stop loss or reversal indicator. That's all from me today. Happy trading.